Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dealing with dry, flaky skin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some super easy and effective home remedies to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing without spending a fortune on expensive products. But before we dive in, let me ask, have you ever felt like no matter how much lotion you apply, your skin still feels dry? Yeah, I've been there. But don't worry, because today, I have some tried and tested natural solutions that actually work. First up, honey and milk. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture, while milk has lactic acid that gently exfoliates and softens the skin. Just mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 2 tablespoons of milk. Apply it to your skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Trust me, your skin will feel amazing. Next, we have coconut oil, an absolute lifesaver for dry skin. Right before bed, warm a few drops between your hands and massage it onto your skin. It absorbs overnight and gets you soft, nourished skin by morning. If you have extremely dry skin, try mixing it with a little aloe vera gel for an extra boost. Now, if your skin is irritated and dry, oatmeal is your best friend. It soothes and calms the skin while adding moisture. Just blend some oats into a fine powder, mix with yogurt or honey, and apply it for 10 to 15 minutes. Your skin will thank you. Apart from these remedies, make sure to drink plenty of water, avoid hot showers, and always apply moisturizer while your skin is still damp to lock in hydration. Alright, that's it for today's video. Which remedy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next one.